Hello, my name is Leslie Austin, and this video is an educational video. We're going to go over an epidemic that occurred in the United States in 2001. Today, currently, we're concerned about bioterrorism, such as bomb threats, chemical warfare, genetic warfare, and others in various natures. This incident occurred in December 2001. One of the nation's largest research facilities coordinated its efforts in tracking the annual virus during the flu season. This agency discovered a mutated mutated vaccine. It had been released into the American population in September of that year. The United States population began to receive vaccinations. Individuals and their families have begun to enter hospitals and clinics with flu-like symptoms. Within 3 to 5 days following these symptoms, the mutated vaccine has spread into the body, individual bodies, into the body's central nervous system, causing comas and death. This epidemic spread throughout 9 states. So this nationwide epidemic became a magnified problem. Okay, many state and federal agencies begin to respond to the medical conditions of the public until their assistance had dried up. And when that happens, FEMA, or Federally Emergency Management Agency, will go ahead and undertake the problems of the epidemic. In order to do this, FEMA must decide through its guidelines whether this problem is considered a disaster, and so it was. So as in 2001, FEMA, Federally Emergency Management Agency, employed various other agencies, and under its guidelines, FEMA first contacted the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Under the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, under the guidance of FEMA, the organization was able to formulate, monitor, and track incidences of the virus and form new vaccinations. In the meantime, FEMA deploys other agencies as well to combat the problem. One such entity would be the Institute of Medicine. With the Institute of Medicine, their role is providing strategic planning and advice to governmental agencies and to private citizens on various methods of confronting issues such as this epidemic. Another agency that was employed by FEMA, which there are many that have played their roles in combating this epidemic.